Hello my fellow gangsters. I just want to show you guys, I know I usually do Unity tutorials, but I want to show you guys how to use Bitcoin. Because like all the people out there that heard about Bitcoin, it's just too complicated and you don't really know where to start. I'm going to show you how to get some Bitcoin for free and how to send and receive it. And it's really easy, it's not that complicated. Then also how to back it up so that, say a nuclear bomb fell on your house, your computer is totally gone. How would you get your Bitcoins back? They're not actually on your computer, they're in the blockchain, and you just have the keys to your wallet on the blockchain. So all you really do is you write down a password and you hide it somewhere that no one can find it, and you can always recover your Bitcoins with that. And then I'm going to try sending it to somebody. So I'm in Canada. I'm going to send it really quickly and without paying any huge fees to someone on the other side of the entire planet in Ukraine, and then ask them to send it back, and we'll see how that goes. So first of all, I'm going to start recording on my desktop here. So I'm going to put all these links below, but the first thing you would do is go to wallet.bitcoin.com, and I'm on Windows, so I'm going to get the Windows version. But of course on your phone you can go to the App Store and get it. So I'm going to download this thing, and now that I've downloaded it, it's here on my desktop. I'm just going to extract this, extract all. And so open this folder, it has the bitcoin.com wallet, so there's bitcoin.com wallet right here. You open that, computer's going to freak out because it doesn't know what it is. Just say run anyway. So it's creating a wallet automatically. So it's automatically created a BCH wallet and a BTC wallet. So make sure that you want to use the BCH one, the Bitcoin Cash one, because that has low fees. And you want to make sure the other person that you're sending money to also uses the same one. So to prevent confusion, I'm actually going to go to settings here, and this BTC wallet, select that, and more options. I'm just going to delete that one because it's just going to be confusing to have that on here. We only want to use the BCH one. So they've already made it. If you want to make a new one, you click this plus and you can just create a new one. Now to get some free Bitcoins, link to this below as well, you would go to free.bitcoin.com. So you go to free.bitcoin.com. I already have a wallet. You're going to log in with your Twitter account. Authorize the app. Enter your address to get some Bitcoin Cash. So to receive Bitcoin inside your wallet thing here, so I'm going to click on my wallet. Wallet is not backed up yet. So we're going to want to do that. Click got it. I understand. This is not secure. So these words right here, you want to keep these totally secret. You don't want to back it up on your computer, because if your computer got hacked, this is like your password. So what you want to do is legit write it down. So whatever it is, it's like, for me it's stick, explain, leader, blah blah blah. So I'm just going to write all these words down. So I've written it down. So it's just going to make sure that you wrote it down correctly. So enter in all the words. Correct. So now the wallet is backed up. So that password that you wrote down, you want to keep that incredibly secure. Don't even keep it in your house probably. So if your house blows up, you still have your password. Back it up somewhere really safe where nobody knows where it is. And now that the wallet is backed up, we can use it. It has no transactions yet. So at the bottom here, there's receive, and then click receive. So if you're on a phone, you could just hold this up and the other person can click send and they can scan. And that's how you would send it with phones in person. But I'm just going to copy this address. All you do is click on it and it's copied to the clipboard. and paste it. That's my address that I want to receive coins at. Just always double check too that it looks like nothing changed, because if someone did hack into your computer with some of these programs, they can actually detect that you copied a Bitcoin address and they can alter it so that it goes to them. So just double check, like look at the last 3 numbers and letters and just check like it looks like it's the same thing, and then receive Bitcoin Cash. That's how fast it is. I already received the payment. Payment received. Home. So on my home page, a few seconds ago I received 11 cents US. If I go to my wallet, I have 11 cents right here. So already I've got some Bitcoin to use. Now let's say, for example, my house blew up. I barely escaped. My computer is gone, but I've got my phone. So I could just download the app again because I've saved my password, right? So let's see if I can record this. Hopefully the camera captures this. So I'm going to go to the Play Store, go to bitcoin.com wallet. So it's the official bitcoin.com wallet. I want to install this. I'm going to open it. It's going to automatically create another wallet that I don't need, but that's okay. So it's done the same thing again here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create a new wallet thing. So I'm actually going to go import wallet. And then you have that recovery phrase. So I'm going to type that in again. Import. And there's my wallet. It has my history right there. So I've still got my 11 cents. And so what I want to do, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to try sending this to someone that lives on the other side of the planet. Good morning, my fellow gangsters. It's the next morning. Привет.
Привет.
Как дела?
Хорошо. А у тебя?
Нормально.
Нормально? Почему не отлично?
Почему не отлично? Something excellent. I don't know.
Why not excellent?
Отлично. Oh, okay. I'm recording you right now.
Why?
Because did you download the Bitcoin app thing on your computer?
Yeah, on the phone. Why you're recording me?
I'm gonna send you some Bitcoin and record it, and then show people.
Ah, okay, yes. I thought you're recording my face.
I am recording your face. I'm recording my computer and myself.
Ah, okay. You know there are many Russian sites.
What about Russian sites?
Russian sites, they're like, oh, you can earn a lot of money.
Go to this one.
Okay, good. Woohoo!
Because PayPal is blocked in Ukraine, right?
A lot of stuff doesn't work in Ukraine. Yes.
Taya, I'm gonna put you on my YouTube channel.
No. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I open it. It's creating, but is it the same as on my phone?
Oh, you mean it's creating a new wallet?
Yeah, it's new
Yeah, it's a
wallet
different
or...
wallet. It's a different wallet.
Ah, okay. Okay, I'm open it. So I need to give you my information, right?
Yeah, so make sure it's the BCH wallet.
It's that wallet.
Oh yeah, there you
This?
go, BCH. Yeah.
Right? Okay, good.
And then you would click the bottom thing that says receive.
Receive, okay.
And you see that long address
Так,
code thing? If you click on it, it says copies it to your clipboard.
да, yes.
And then paste it into our Skype message.
Wait, but it says that my wallet not backed up.
Yeah. We'll
Do
worry
it
about
later?
that later.
Okay.
So I am going to send.
Address type is cash address.
Yep, Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so now I copy the address that you gave me, and I send it. And what am I sending? I'm going to send the maximum amount. And then it tells me what the fees will be, which is some tiny little thing.
So how much to send me 10 cents?
0.000000245 BCH is the fee. I don't know what that is.
It's hard to say in BCH.
I'm gonna send you everything that I have. So now I'm clicking it right now. See if it worked. It tells me payment sent.
Oh wow, yes, I received that.
So you received it in like 1 second.
Return to address.
So now for me it says the address that I sent it to, I guess. So payments.
How can I see it in US dollars? Like, I just want to see. Ah, yeah, I see it. Sorry. It's 0.12 USD.
Yeah, it's like 12 cents. So I don't know, the fee was so tiny, I don't even know what it. So that's awesome because it was 11 cents yesterday. It went up, and then the fee was less than whatever it went up.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you like making money when you sleep, Taya? I made 1 cent while I was sleeping.
So what should I do next? How it will come?
But now you try to send it to me. So I'm gonna go
Send.
receive.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna copy my address. So that is my address.
Payment sent. I think I sent to you.
Yeah.
One.
A few seconds ago. Now I got 11 cents. So we just burned up 1 cent.
Yes.
We used up 1 cent in fees. But if we were sending like $100,000, it would still be like 1 cent in fees. Okay, I'm gonna send it to you because I'm gonna delete my wallet. Because when I showed people like how to make my wallet, I showed my password and everything.
Yeah, I understand. It's a special wallet for making videos, right?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna send it back to you again. And you just hang on to it forever. If it ever
Woohoo,
goes up
I'm
in value.
rich.
That's so fast, eh? There you go, my fellow gangsters. So now you're more technologically advanced than most people. Peace out, my fellow gangsters.
Not a Bitcoin Core?
No. BCH, Bitcoin Cash.
I don't listen to the haters, man, I treat them like the enemy. Had a couple traitors, man, but now they know the penalty. I tell them, see you later, fam, I do not need this jealousy. I got no time for failure, man, I wanna leave a legacy. I lock in and I'm sold out.